Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to solve count ways to nth stair. In this question you are given a value n and you have to return how you can reach this nth stair using only two methods. You can climb only one stair or you can climb two stairs. If you're not able to comprehend, think of it as you have to form a number n using two numbers only, using only one or using only two. And now you know if you have to form a number n using the number 1, you just have to multiply the number 1 with that number n plus 1 equals to n, or you simply have to add 1 n number of times and you will reach that number. Cool. And if you have to form that number using number 2, how you will do it? Let's say you have number 13, so you have to add 2 6 times, you will get 12, and then you'll have to add 1. Cool. See the example 1. You have to add 4. Okay. How you can do it? Either you can take 1 4 times, or 2 2 times, or you can take 1 twice and 2 once. Now, here you can also think that they can be 1 2 1, 2 1 1, and 1 1 2. But since in the question order does not matter, order does not matter. In that case, 1 1 2, 1 2 1, and 2 1 1, all three will be considered as same value. So how we reached 4 using 1 and 2? Okay, you don't have to think of stairs, you just only have to think about forming the number n using only two numbers, 1 and 2. For 1, you have to add 1 n number of times to reach that number, and for 2, you'll have to divide that number by 2 and you'll have to add 1 to it. For 13, you have to divide 13 by 2. You have to take the whole number and not the decimal number. You'll get 6, and then you have to add 1. 6 plus 1 7. Any number, be it 99, you'll have to divide 99 by 2. You'll get 48 49, and you'll have to add 1 to it. You'll have to add 1 to it. You'll get the answer. And this is what you have to do. You have to return simply 1 plus n by 2, and you'll get the answer. It's as simple as that. You don't have to even consider the mod function. See, it does the job pretty effortlessly. This question can be done using DP and all, which will be obviously order of n. And order of n is acceptable in this question also. But if this question can be done in order of 1 using simple mathematics, we should ignore it. So I hope you enjoyed it and loved. Thank you. Have a very nice day.